Well, the old family plot. There's one of 4 cameras I've got set out. A little bit of deer corn and stuff. I got another one right behind that big old dead tree. There's a trail that comes in, goes that way, comes this way. This right here is where I killed that little button buck last year, sitting over there on that log. I got another camera right there. There's a trail that comes in that way. There's a ditch back there that they just dredged this year. That's why this woods is all messed up. And right on the other side of this is what we call the bowling alley. It's a wide open lane that belongs to the neighbors. But those deer come in and then move their way this way, whatever. Hoping, wait and see. Well, we're set up and ready. I got 5 cameras out, 5 little bait areas. Hopefully we see what's coming through here. I'll give her about a good week. Come back and hope we see something good. Till then, stay tuned.